Consortium for Educational Communication stands for the fact that digital education has to be there and it has to be brought to the forefront and it has to be used by all the students. CEC, Consortium for Educational Communication, and CFC, Cinema for Change. These are two very important things. Cinema for change. Through this cinema, we want to change the educational perspectives within our country. We want to support the National Education Policy of 2020, which is being implemented at a very fast pace and which has been the one which has changed which has been the game changer vis-a-vis educational scenario in our country is concerned. In times to come, we want to stop that brain drain where our educated or young or talented youth was going to other countries to study. We want to bring them back. We don't want any more to go. Also, when these students were going, they were actually taking away a lot of foreign exchange. But now we want to earn that foreign exchange. That's an important aspect. And through cinema, the youngsters relate to each other. Through real life, they understand the real life. This is the irony of things. Through these reels, they are able to understand what is reality. And we have understood that. That's why we want good filmmakers, good movie makers to make those reels, right from short films to long stories, and then give them to the students so they understand the real life problems and how these real life problems could be solved, could be worked up, could be built up, and they contribute towards our ecosystem. So cinema is going to be bringing that change that we think that should be there for our Viksit Bharat 2047 goal. That Viksit Bharat 2047 goal is going to be undertaken, is going to be brought about, is going to be reached vis-a-vis education sector is concerned through these mediums only, through storytelling only, that we should be able to do that.
Any other message to film festival?
See, basic message that through film festivals we try to bring about is like there are important themes that we have. Our environment is a very important aspect. Environmental degradation is a very big problem that we are facing. So we are looking towards, through cinema, trying to bring about that, trying to youngsters or all the stakeholders understand that how this environmental degradation can be prevented. Then we also have what are various societal issues in our society, how they could be brought about in forefront and how they could be eradicated. There are so many prejudices in our society. Through cinema, through educational cinema, these could be also removed. This could be also taken up. And there are many very good schemes like Swachh Bharat. So Swachh Bharat is one of those which our Honorable Prime Minister started, is one of those schemes which has to be understood by every citizen of this country. And cinema is a very good and important medium through which this Swachh Bharat aspect could be taught about. So environmental aspects, prejudices, societal issues, Swachh Bharat scheme, all these things need to be brought up, and cinema would be a very important aspect, or these reels are a very important aspect through which we can bring about changes in the real life of our stakeholders.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.